AI catwalk videos like this are going insanely viral right now. And this YouTube channel has gained more than 5 lakh subscribers with this. And his videos has hit 32, 31, and 21 million views. And the concept is a character from a movie or series walking alongside the character as he looked today. And in this video, I am going to show you exactly how to make them yourself. Let's get into it. First, ChatGPT. Go to Explore GPTs and search for AI Catwalk Video Generator. Once you start the generator, first it gives 10 popular movies or series to choose from. Pick one. I am going with number 1. Then it will give top 10 cast members. I am going with number 1. Then it will ask for the background. Again, I am going with number 1. Now GPT will give us an image prompt and a video prompt. Just copy the image prompt and head over to Top View AI. The link is in description. In Top View, go to Text to Image. Choose Model Nano Banana 2. Paste the prompt here. Choose your aspect ratio and number of outputs, then hit Generate. And here's the images. Just look at these. The character is on one side and on the other, how he looks today. That's the contrast that make these to stop scroll. So just pick the image you like the most and save it. Now head over to Image to Video. Here choose Model Kling 3.0. Upload the image we just saved as frame 1. Head back to the GPT, copy the video prompt and paste it here. Set the time duration to 10 seconds and hit Generate. And this is what your final videos should look like. So that's the full workflow. All the links you need are provided in the description, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next niche.